Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Screaming Frog to crawl your WordPress SEO step by step clearly. To connect Screaming Frog to crawl your WordPress SEO, start by launching the Screaming Frog SEO Spider tool. Open your WordPress website in a web browser. Make sure you are on the home page of your website. In Screaming Frog, click on the Mode menu at the top. Select the option labeled Spider. Enter your WordPress site's URL into the box at the top. Ensure that the radio button next to Enter URL to Spider is selected. Click on the Start button to begin the crawl process. Screaming Frog will now connect to your website and start gathering data. Monitor the progress bar as the crawl unfolds. Once the crawl is completed, you will see a summary of your site's SEO metrics. Explore different tabs to view data on internal links, images, and page titles. Analyze the information to identify any potential SEO issues. Return to your WordPress dashboard to make any necessary adjustments. Utilize the insights gained from Screaming Frog to improve your site's SEO. Adjust page titles, meta descriptions, and other elements as needed. Run subsequent crawls to track improvements over time. By following these steps, you can effectively connect Screaming Frog to optimize your WordPress SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.